Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to turn on creator mode on LinkedIn. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and get to the LinkedIn website. After that, sign into your account and get to the profile page. Here, if you come down to your dashboard, there's this option called creator mode. So just click on the link and a message will be displayed like grow your audience with creator mode. Simply click on the next button and then enter the topics you will be posting about. Once done, press save and the creator mode will be turned on. So anytime you could click on the same option to turn this off, and it is not a permanent decision. But now you will have the ability to go to the home page, choose video, share video content, and make this my creator account. So that's basically how you can turn on creator mode on LinkedIn. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.